Everybody loves the idea of moving to East Tennessee. They picture mountain views, slower living, four seasons, Dollywood, cabins, coffee on the porch, maybe a couple chickens. But then reality shows up and suddenly they realize, wait a second, we have to sell our current house, pack everything we own, coordinate timing, figure out financing, move states, and somehow buy another house without becoming temporarily homeless. And that right there is where most people get overwhelmed. I cannot tell you how many people call me excited about moving to East Tennessee, but they have absolutely no idea where to start. And honestly, that's normal because relocating is not just buying a house. It's coordinating your entire life. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process my clients use to successfully sell their current home and move to East Tennessee without unnecessary stress, panic, bad timing, or expensive mistakes. And I'm also going to tell you what people do wrong, what surprises people after they move, how to coordinate closings, how to avoid buying the wrong property, and how to make this transition much smoother. So if you're thinking about moving to Gatlinburg, Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, Newport, Cosby, Dandridge, or anywhere in East Tennessee, you're definitely going to want to watch this entire video. If we haven't met, y'all, hey, I'm Heidi Hines, and this is my channel, Living in Gatlinburg, TN. I'm a local realtor here in East Tennessee, and on this channel, we talk about what it's really like living here, relocating here, East Tennessee real estate, mountain life, lifestyle, pros and cons, hidden things people don't think about, and honestly, all the stuff nobody tells you until after you move here. So if this sounds like your kind of content, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell because I put out new videos every single week. And if you're thinking about buying or selling here, my contact information is below. People call me, text me, email me every day from all over the country, and I absolutely love helping people make this move. Okay, let's start with the biggest mistake people make when relocating to East Tennessee. They do everything backwards. They start scrolling Zillow emotionally. They come visit Gatlinburg on vacation. They see a cabin with a mountain view, and suddenly they're ready to buy a house before they've even figured out what their current house is worth. How much equity do they have? Whether they need financing, what their monthly payment comfort level is, or how this timing is even going to work. And that's where the stress starts. I always tell people, do not fall in love with houses before you understand your numbers, because East Tennessee feels emotional. People come here and think, this is it. This is the life I want. And honestly, I get it. But emotion without plan creates chaos. So step number one is always understanding your financial position. That means, what is your current home worth? How much do you owe? What are your estimated proceeds? Are you paying cash? Will you need financing? Do you need the proceeds from your current home in order to buy here? And these answers completely change your strategy sometimes. And let me tell you something else. Sometimes people think East Tennessee prices are still 1997. They want acreage, mountain views, privacy, no restrictions, 5 minutes to town, fiber internet, and a fully updated cabin for the price of a used Honda Civic. So understanding today's market is really important before you start shopping. This is one of the biggest questions I get. Heidi, should we sell our house first before buying in Tennessee? And the answer is, it depends. If you're a cash buyer, you already have the cash available or significant equity, your move is easier. You may be able to buy first and then sell, and that gives you the flexibility and removes pressure. Now, the most common scenario is that people need the proceeds from their current home to buy their new home here, and that means timing matters. Some people can buy contingent upon selling their current home, but here's the reality. Contingencies are not attractive to sellers, so you may end up paying more and selling your current home for less. Honestly, sometimes the smoothest move is temporary housing. I know people hate hearing that, but sometimes selling first gives you stronger negotiating power, less stress, better flexibility, and avoids rush decision. I've had people say, we'll just pack everything in a U-Haul, close on both houses the same day, we'll drive overnight, unload everything, and start our new life by Tuesday. And technically, yes, that's possible, but emotionally, Oh my gosh, that is what I call advanced relocating. This is where people can save or lose a lot of money. The biggest mistake sellers make right now, overpricing. Everybody thinks their house is worth more than the market says. And I understand why, but buyers today are smarter, pickier, and payment conscious, and they have access to so much more information about your property. And if your home sits on the market for months, you may miss opportunities here in East Tennessee. Timing matters. Another thing people underestimate is preparation. You're not just selling your house, you're preparing for a major life transition. Declutter it, put things in storage, do minor repairs, touch up paint, look at the curb appeal, does it need deep cleaning? Because buyers emotionally buy homes. The cleaner and more move-in ready your house feels, the easier your transition becomes because your home's going to sell easier and faster and maybe for more money. This is huge. People ask me all the time, when should we come visit? And honestly, not too early, not too late. I love discovery trips. This is where you come here intentionally to learn the areas, not just vacation. You actually study traffic, roads, shopping, hospitals, grocery stores, internet, driving distances, mountain terrain. Because East Tennessee is very different depending on where you are. Gatlinburg is tourism heavy. They've got cabins, mountain life. Sevierville offers more conveniences and shopping. Pigeon Forge is entertainment and traffic. Cosby's quiet, rural, peaceful. Newport is up and coming, more affordable, slower. Dandridge is the lake lifestyle. And listen, some people think they want a mountain cabin until their GPS says, turn left, up this cliff, and hope for the best. This part is really important. Buying in East Tennessee is not the same as buying in a subdivision in Florida or Texas. You may have wells, septic systems, propane, gravel roads, steep driveways, shared driveways, limited internet, and these things matter. Pretty mountain views can hide expensive problems such as drainage, retaining walls, foundation movement, water intrusion, road maintenance, erosion. If you're buying for short-term rental income, you better understand the regulations because rules vary by area. And please check the internet before buying. Do not assume. I've had buyers say, but Heidi, the listing said high-speed internet. And sometimes high-speed internet means one squirrel running on a wheel behind the cabin. So here's what the process usually looks like with my clients. In the step-by-step process, the first thing that we do is we have a consultation. We talk about your goals, timing, finances, and your lifestyle. Next is the financial prep. That's the lender conversations, equity review, strategy. We need to get your current house ready for the market. Step 4 is the discovery trip. That's where you learn the areas. Step 5 is the home search. We narrow your options. And step 6 is the offer strategy. It's negotiation and timing coordination. Once the contract is in place, then we have inspections, and that's huge in mountain properties. Then we're going to coordinate the closings, trying to make timing smoother and less stressful. Step 9, it's the move planning, utilities, movers, storage, temporary housing if needed. And step 10, the best part of the process. Now you're officially one of us. Welcome to Tennessee. My team and I recently had clients from Florida. They thought they wanted one thing, but after driving mountain roads at night, they realized absolutely not. So instead, we found them a beautiful property with views, but easier access. And now they absolutely love it. My team and I had another couple from Michigan, and they were terrified about timing. They thought actually that they'd be homeless during the move, but because we planned carefully, coordinated everything, and stayed ahead of the process, their move went incredibly smooth. Listen, moving to East Tennessee can absolutely change your life, but doing it the right way matters. And honestly, the people who have the smoothest transitions are usually the people who listened, planned early, and had someone local helping them guide them through the whole process. So if you're thinking about moving here, whether it's next month, next year, or you're just starting to explore the idea, reach out. We help people relocate to East Tennessee every single day, and I'd love to help you too. So you can call me, text me, email me. All my information is below. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I post videos every week talking about living here, relocating here, East Tennessee real estate, mountain life, and what it's really like to call this place home. And remember, East Tennessee may slow your blood pressure down, but the housing market still moves fast. I'm Heidi Hines, and I'll see you in the Smokies.